Hello, everyone. How are you? Do you know this man who was studying 10 years in online? Yes, I know about him. Yes, he had many stage fear. He never tried to go on stage. Yes, I know about that. Once upon a time, his friends told him go on a stage, and he gone. He was sent it on the his school stage. Sorry, he was very rich. He is very rich. He had his own stage. So his friends told him go on a stage and give us a speech. And on that time he was giggling. He was very scared and he ran away. Yes, yes, I know about it. Do you know this man? He's a dumb man. He never scared to ask questions, and he always study offline. When he don't know anything, he always check on dictionary and other another things on offline. So hello friends, my name is Yugal Nigam. Today is a presentation day. Today I am going to present you online versus offline studies. So first, there will be 5 rounds, and also we will mark points. So there will be 5 points, and the winner will decided by the points. So first point is exam. So in online exam, the exam is very easy. The exam is a child in front of you. You are thinking, oh my god, the exam. I think the exam is very hard. I cannot do it. When the exam is in front of you, you thought, huh? The exam is very easy. I can do it in half an hour. And also the time of exam is more than three times more than the offline exam. Like your offline exam is 1 hour, and the online exam is almost 3.5 hour. So that time offline exam is good. So move on the offline exam. Offline exams is very hard and tough, and also the time is almost one and half 1.5 hours, and point goes to offline the point goes to online exam. The first point goes to online, and the second point is cheating. Yes, sir. Cheating in online class, you can easily cheat. Like your laptop is in front of you, you are thinking, and you are doing this. Yes. How, in which month Gandhiji born? In which month Gandhiji born? You can easily type and write answer. Yes, on 2 October. So the online exam is bad for cheating, and you can easily cheat on online exam. But in official exam, the cheating is very hard for you. Like you don't know anything. Your exam is tomorrow, and you thought let's do cheating, and let's do cheating, and you thought I can easily make cheats and take in my pants. So you took cheats and take in your pants. When you go to school, what you see? The teachers is checking every student. You don't have any cheats, you can go. You are thinking, oh my god, I what can I do? So you throw the cheats in the road. So on that time, offline exam win. So the point goes to offline. And our third point is beating or bullying. So I am writing beating. Beating. Yes. Beating. In online exam, you in online study, nobody can touch you. Like you don't do your homework. Your teacher say, why do you don't do? You can say, I got fever so and I was very ill. And the sir said, no, it's okay, you can do, tomorrow you can do it. But in offline exam, that when you don't do, you actually got fever and very high fever. And when you say to your teacher, you say, your teacher say, why did you don't do your homework? And you say, sir, I got very high fever and I already give the application to the principal. Sir say, okay. And the sir is thinking and an unexpected way, your sir is, and you are thinking, sir, why did you beat me? And the sir say, why you are making, sir, बहाने को क्या बोलते हैं? Why you are making very excuses? You are lying. I know you are lying. I'm your teacher. I'm teaching you from many years. And you go in your seat without anything. So the point goes to online class. And our fourth point is sharing. So first we talk about online class. Like you are taking online class and you are doing your exam. Suddenly your marker or your pen get finished. Your pen ink get finished. What will you do? You cannot leave your exam. Your teacher say, why are you leaving? And you cannot make any excuses. Your teacher say, you say, sir, my pen ink has been finished. Can I borrow a new pen from the shop? The teacher say, no, you cannot go. I know you are doing cheating, and you would take some cheats in your pants, and you are very shocked, and you cannot buy a pen. You are stuck on that time. In offline exam, like your pen ink get finished, and you say, sir, my pen ink get finished. Your friend say, no, it's okay, you can borrow my pen. And the friend give you your the friend give you his pen. Give him his pen. The fifth point. The point goes to offline exam or offline study. And the last point is comfortable. Comfort. What is comfortable? So in online exam, like your back is paining, my back is paining. You can easily lay down and you can easily sit. But in offline class, you cannot lay down, you cannot stand, but you only sit, and you cannot talk to your friend and anything. So the point goes to online class. So you can say the winner is online class. Yes, many people is not good from my opinion or my answer. But look at the chart I have made. I am making this chart. 1990, 10, 20, 20. This 23 is 2023. In 1990, this is normal level, this is medium level, and this is high level. In 1990, the people don't use and the internet not come, and the people are not interested in online classes. So the online classes rate is this much, below almost normal and higher rate. But in 2000, the rate goes to some upper and goes to this place. The point is below the the population is below the medium, but the people are too much. In 2010, the people use many internet classes and online classes. In 2020, the corona has come and the broke the limit of the this chart and become the highest record of all time. In 2023, the sorry, the point is below 2020. This is there. So you can say the online class is better from the offline class. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for listening.